Welcome to this demonstration video where we will explore the critical role of the Program Resource Breakdown Structure, or RBS, in enhancing a program resource management plan. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the basic concept of an RBS and how it breaks down resource requirements by components, resource requirements, costs, resource schedules, dependencies, and priorities. Explore the integration of the RBS into the Program Resource Management Plan, focusing on key areas such as allocation, optimization, and prioritization. And finally, create and interpret RBS documents to manage program resources effectively and enhance decision making. When you integrate an RBS into program resource management, it strengthens your ability to manage resources and aligns program activities with organizational objectives. An RBS helps identify resource needs early, enabling proactive resource management and ensuring program success. Through detailed RBS documentation, you can pinpoint areas where resources deviate from the plan, facilitating continuous improvement initiatives. This allows management teams to implement lessons learned and refine resource allocation processes. Additionally, an RBS ensures compliance with organizational and regulatory requirements for resource reporting. By mandating regular updates on RBS elements, management frameworks track resource usage and ensure accountability. This integrated approach to RBS and program resource management is essential for delivering successful outcomes in today's complex project and program environments. Always begin by identifying the program the RBS will support. Include the document, date, and version. This RBS is a dynamic document that will likely change and require updates as the program progresses. Next, provide a brief synopsis of the program objective. This overview will provide context for those not familiar with the program. This template includes 8 columns. Always include an explanation of each column. Let's review this sample templates column explanations. We begin with the program component, the main project or component of the program. We include a resource requirement column, specific resources needed to accomplish the component. We include resource costs, the cost associated with each resource requirement. We add a resource source, where the resource will be obtained from, internal, external, vendor, etc. We include the schedule start, the start date for when the resource will be needed, and we include a schedule end, the end date for when the resource will no longer be needed. We have a dependencies column, any dependencies that must be addressed before the resource can be utilized. And finally, we have a priority column, the priority level of the resource, high, medium, or low. Now, let's review a completed RBS example. As you can see, the RBS includes program definition, version control, and a brief overview of the program's objectives. Sakura Suites approved a program with 4 distinct components or projects. An explanation of each column is provided as we previously shared on the blank template. Here is the explanation of the columns. This RBS outlines each of the 4 projects or components associated with this program. There is a training development component, a new inventory system component, a warehouse revamp component, and a barista performance component. Resource requirements are defined along with the estimated resource costs. Total program costs are calculated. As you can see in this example, the total program cost is approximately $450,000. Resource sources are defined. Some resources will be procured internally. Others will be procured externally. Scheduled start and end days are defined. This is critical. Many organizational resources are shared or only available for a short time. Functional managers and resource owners must be able to plan accordingly to support the program. Dependencies are defined. If none, so state. And finally, the RBS ends with a priority designator for each resource. High priority resources require the most attention. In summary, the RBS will become part of the overall Program Resource Management Plan. This subsidiary plan is approved as part of the overall Program Management Plan. Feel free to use or tailor this template to meet your specific needs. In this demo video, you learned integrating a Program Resource Breakdown Structure, or RBS, into Program Resource Management strengthens your ability to manage resources and aligns program activities with organizational directives. An RBS helps identify resource needs early, enabling proactive resource management and ensuring program success. Through detailed RBS documentation, you can pinpoint areas where resources deviate from the plan, facilitating continuous improvement initiatives. This allows management teams to implement lessons learned and refine resource allocation processes. Additionally, an RBS ensures compliance with organizational and regulatory requirements for resource reporting. By mandating regular updates on RBS elements, management frameworks track resource usage and ensure accountability.